Is your engine running rough, smelling like raw gasoline, or showing a massive drop in fuel economy? You might be facing a P02A1 diagnostic trouble code, which points directly to a leaking fuel injector on cylinder number 2. This is a serious issue that goes beyond just poor performance because a leaking injector can drip excess fuel into the cylinder even when it should be closed. This excess fuel can wash away the protective oil film on your cylinder walls, leading to permanent engine damage or oil dilution, so you want to address this immediately. The powertrain control module monitors the fuel trim and oxygen sensor data to keep the air and fuel mixture perfect. When it detects a rich condition or a specific lean condition that does not make sense with the current data, and pinpoints the anomaly to cylinder 2 using crankshaft position signals, it sets this code. You will likely feel the engine misfiring, see smoke from the exhaust, and notice the check engine light flashing or staying on. The causes are usually a mechanically failed injector that is stuck open or leaking, but it can also be caused by a short in the injector wiring, a bad oxygen sensor giving false data, or even a mass airflow sensor issue. Before you start tearing the engine apart, diagnose the easy stuff first. Clear the codes and see if it returns immediately. If it does, inspect the fuel rail around cylinder number 2. If you see external gas leaks or heavy corrosion on the injector body, you have likely found the culprit. A great pro tip is to use an automotive stethoscope with the engine running. Touch the probe to the body of the injector on cylinder 2 and listen. You should hear a sharp, rhythmic clicking sound as the injector opens and closes. If it is silent or sounds completely different from the other injectors, it is likely mechanically failed or clogged. You should also use a digital volt and ohm meter to check the wiring connector. Disconnect the injector and test for battery voltage on the supply wire with the key on. If you have no voltage, check your fuses and relays. If you have voltage and the ground pulse from the computer is good, but the injector is still not working right, the internal coil of the injector might be shorted. In many cases, simply replacing the faulty fuel injector on cylinder 2 will solve the problem. However, make sure to depressurize the fuel system carefully before removal to avoid spraying high-pressure gasoline. If you are unsure about working with high-pressure fuel lines, it is safer to let a professional handle the swap. Once the new injector is in, clear the codes and take the vehicle for a test drive to ensure the fuel trims return to normal and the engine runs smooth again.